Buggy, it's Eva.
And Isaac.
And welcome back to another episode of
Sweet Tooth Crafts.
Where today we are making, like yours, these amazing Halloween fall decorations, more like. Mine has snow on it, but because I wanted to. But these are some fall decorations that I just made up by myself at like 10 at night, because that's how my brain works. Anyways, so yeah, this is what we're going to be making today, and it's really, really simple. So we'll show you the process. But before we get to that, we're going to announce something. Ta-da! Our branded shirts. So basically, it's our motto: keep cooking, crafting, and creating. And on the back here, we have our logo. So these are some shirts that we made all by ourselves, and so these are going to be the shirts that we wear during all of our videos now.
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. And if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss another tutorial. Okay, now let's go. So to make these, basically what you're going to do is get a pumpkin from the dollar store.
Yeah, we got these from the dollar store. They're
$1.25 store.
carvable pumpkins.
Yeah. So these are usually in stock around Halloween.
Yeah, you can only get these really around Halloween, so yeah, you have to only do it around Halloween.
Well, it's a fall decoration.
Yeah.
So then you grab a knife. We have Swiss Army knives because yes, we're cool like that.
And
then you have these like pine needle garland thingy-majigs.
Yes, I'm pretty sure these are real pine cones, possibly, and these are fake plastic things.
I think they're both fake, but whatever. Anyway, so now, basically what we're going to do is first we're going to cut the top out of the pumpkin. You just want it as big as whatever you want to see in here. So,
and maybe
grab your knife and be careful because they're knives.
Yeah, we made these examples at like 11 o'clock at night one time.
Yeah. So, we're just going to cut them out. This is not a very sturdy knife. Hold up.
And you can recut some. I think this is pretty good.
Hold on.
Actually, I think we did.
I need a better knife here. Okay, I'm taking the little one. You can also use X-Acto knives.
Oh yeah, we used that and it actually worked really well. It worked, I think, better than this. Oh, do not cut towards yourself like I'm doing. That is.
Yeah.
But I don't really. I'm still gonna do it because I don't really know how else to do it.
This is how you do it. You take the knife and you cut it this way. Oh, is this a file? I don't even know.
That's a nail file, yeah.
Cut away
actually, the best way is to do it like this. Just keep stabbing it in like
stab it multiple times.
Order. Take it out. Oh, the knife just closed on me, almost.
And one of the things that I would say is cut it smaller than you think, because you can always cut it out more, but you can't uncut it, basically. So if you cut it too big, you can't make it smaller. So yeah, ours are a little bit different than these ones. These ones are more sturdy. We just bought these, and so as you can see, they came out.
Yeah.
We're gonna glue that. We're gonna glue that back, but it shouldn't happen. If it does, just glue it back. It'll look fine. Woo! Look at that, clean out.
That's so small.
Yeah, I know. I'm cutting it bigger. These are really good carvable pumpkins. Like they carve so easily.
I think I'm doing something wrong.
These. Got
it. I lined it up.
Okay, we did it. Thank goodness we saved it. Okay.
Okay, I need to go get some glue. I'll be right back. Take it off. Should I do it there? Yes, I'll do it there.
No, yeah. You can do it either way. It works. It's not fully heated up yet.
I'll do it here.
All right, we fixed it.
Hopefully this is stronger than the glue they used.
Yeah.
It's probably sharper, actually. It scared me. It's not hot. It just scared me because I thought it was going to be hot, but it wasn't.
Oh, that scared me. Okay, so now we have cut the tops of our pumpkins out to the size that we want. We're going to set these aside. We'll need them later, but we're going to set them aside here. I'll take it. Yeah. So that's yours. All right, now we grab one of these things. What you're going to do is take some scissors and chop off all these things or pull them off, whatever.
Or if you want, just to the
pine cones, stuff like this.
I'm taking all the pine.
Yeah.
The pine cones, usually could just pull them off like that. Yeah. Super easy.
All the pine cones are really easy, except for.
I literally pulled this plastic leaf off.
So yeah, you can pull them off, you can cut them off. There's different ways to do it. So anyways, once you're done with that, you just take out however many you think you need, and then you can cut them up more if you want to. Then what you do is kind of like this one. Basically what you're gonna do is just grab this and then get some smaller leaves at first and put it in the bottom so that you kind of stuff the bottom.
Is that mine?
No, I got that.
So yeah, what we did is we just kind of covered it with pine cones. And
you got pine cones and leaves.
Pine cones and leaves, just like layer them evenly.
Yeah,
I really need to shove that in there. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a pine cone like
there's one
right here, and put one leaf. Mine, there's just like really a lot of pine cones.
So
and then this one.
This is basically it depends on what you want. You can just don't be afraid to shove it in there though, because yeah, as long as it doesn't put any holes or anything.
If you put a hole in it, it's still fine because we're gonna put holes in it later anyways.
Yeah. So, as you can see, I basically just kind of made myself a little forest in here. I have pine cones and leaves, and you just kind of make it whatever you want. I didn't overdo it. I just kind of put a few leaves and 3 pine cones is what I put. This one I somehow shoved in 4. Not really sure how.
I think you just put less leaves.
But yeah. So, we're still going to need the leaves, so just keep them out. No more pine cones, though. Yeah. Now what we're going to do is grab the scissors or a knife. And basically cut holes. We put like 5, kind of like in a star shape, you know, and you can put it up and down like in different sections of the pumpkin, but you just kind of want to get some holes in there. So you just kind of have to play around with it and see what works, see what doesn't.
Oh, I think this is too close to the middle. I don't know.
Okay, there.
Mine refuses to go in.
Okay.
Do not go in.
So you can see I put 2 here so far. And basically it's just supposed to spread out like kind of a forest, like it's kind of bursting out of the pumpkin. And these are actually really cute, just little table toppers or things like that. So
kind of burning the stuff around it. Okay,
woo! Whoopsie.
That one was messy.
Don't worry, we'll clean it up.
Yeah.
So make sure to clean up after yourselves.
So yeah, mine, there was like glue on the bottom of them.
One thing that you can do if you don't like the look of something that you put in is you can put it at the back so that because honestly it still looks fine. Probably it's maybe not as symmetric, but it doesn't need to be symmetric.
Also, sometimes you can, at the dollar store, there's white pumpkins, like blank ones that you can just paint yourself, or you can just
if you don't want orange, you can use these. So if you want to experiment with colors, go ahead. We actually haven't tested painting these, so that'll be a trial and error thing, but yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a wire. There's like a wire in here.
There.
I feel like it's only in the long ones though.
There's a wire. And the sticks might look a little random, but that's the point. So look at these. I actually really like these. I like them. They look pretty similar.
And now you can add your own little accessories. We're gonna add snow probably.
Yeah, because I put snow in this one just because like I kind of wanted it to represent like all 4 seasons, but it's pretty much only fall and winter if you do it like this. It looks pretty nice, gives an extra touch to it, so. Snowing winter wonderland. But it's pretty messy, so you gotta be careful. And sometimes the snow can fall, so you just gotta be careful, but.
Yeah, that's the one thing, if you wanna be able to move it around really easily.
Yeah, I can't really show it to you because it will fall. The snow's gonna fall off, so.
So now, we have lots of decorations. Lots of these decorations.
Yeah. We have 4. And since Halloween's coming up, we can put these as like table toppers, like if you want to put it in the middle of your dining room table or something. So anyways, that's pretty much it for today. That is all we have, and so hopefully you enjoy these amazing decorations. And yeah, it's just from the dollar store pretty much. So I got these a while ago actually for free, so I don't know where to buy them. Alright guys, that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, we will see you next time. Peace.